Welcome to Bias Bash. I'm Cal Thomas, syndicated columnist and Fox News contributor. In case you need a preview of the fawning coverage that will accompany Hillary Clinton's presidential campaign following her likely nomination, you need go no further than Chris Cillizza's story in the Washington Post after Saturday's Democratic debate. Under the heading Winners and Losers, Cillizza writes Hillary Clinton won because she was the only one on stage who looked like she could step into the presidency. Cillizza touted her knowledge on foreign policy, but he failed to mention her foreign policy failures. She showed a sense of humor, he writes, as if this is a qualification for president. In response to a question from ABC's Martha Raddatz whether corporate Americans should love Hillary Clinton, she responded, "Everyone should. Yuck, yuck." As if this weren't enough to demonstrate his bootlick bona fides, Cillizza added, quote, "Clinton's performance proved yet again how gifted she is as a debater." Well, if that's true, why did the Democratic National Committee schedule these debates on days when few people are watching? It could only be because they feared she's not a good debater. The Republican National Committee performed a useful service in listing the numerous times Clinton has flip-flopped on domestic and foreign policy issues to fit the polls. Don't look for that to be brought up by reporters. In the unlikely event they are brought up, she'll be allowed to get away with the explanation that she has grown. It's a safe bet this kind of fawning will only increase as Cillizza will be joined by virtually everyone else in the mainstream media in clearing a path, putting down a red carpet, and carrying a crown to place on her head at the coronation of Queen Hillary next November. That will be a major obstacle for the Republican nominee to overcome, but it can be done with the right candidate and the right message. It's been done before. The candidate's name, Ronald Reagan. For more media analysis, tune in Sundays at 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Time for Media Buzz with Howard Kurtz. I'm Cal Thomas. Thanks for watching Bias Bash.